I'm showing you a short video. I am in Haute Goat Farm in Northumberland. See the horses? You can bring your kids here. They have different programs here, activities, but right now everything, there is a restriction because of the coronavirus. This is a 200 acre farm. See them? Look at the other horse. Inside, we have 3 horses. Secret farm. Such a clean farm. It's a big farm, 200 acres farm. Going. So when we came here, we were asked to sanitize our slippers or shoes, to wear masks, and sanitize our hands. Look at the baby and the mother. That baby was just born 7 hours ago. She bore 2 kids, 2 babies there. They're just 7 hours old.
Very confused.
So take your children here. Bring your children and they will enjoy the beauty of the farm. See, they're all being taken care of. Look.
Okay. Yeah.
Uh,
Just a little towel in it. Not in a hurry.
Okay friends, I hope you like my video. And thank you for watching my video and have a good day. Bye. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button. Bye bye.